Hello everyone and welcome back to concordiaforenglish.ca. Let's talk about nouns you can count and nouns you cannot count it. If you can count it, it is a countable noun. Like 1 apple, 2 apples, and 3 apples. Uncountable noun, if you cannot count it easily, it's uncountable noun. Like water, sugar, music. You don't say like 2 waters, right? So I'm gonna give you examples and I want you to guess if these nouns are countable or uncountable. What about chair, pencil, and dog? Well, all these nouns are countable nouns. So what about milk, sand, information? All these nouns are uncountable because you can't say 2 milks or 2 cents or 2 informations. You can't count them. But you can say 2 bottles of milk or 2 buckets of sand or 3 pieces of information. It's easy, but you need to have some more examples about countable nouns and uncountable to make yourself familiar with them. Well, that's all for today's lesson, and thank you for watching.